Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. Well, today we're unboxing Diamond Art Club. The exciting part about this one is this was another pre-order that I had ordered back in July. I think it was in July. Anyhow, I had ordered a pre-order. It wasn't supposed to be here until sometime in September. Today is August 28th. It actually arrived last night, and this is one for Drills and Chills. This is my second canvas, so I'm going to be working on two for Drills and Chills. And I couldn't unbox it yesterday because my mail didn't get here until like 9 o'clock. I was waiting all day for this, and it didn't get here until about 9 p.m. So what did I get? It's something I am extremely excited about and a little bit nervous, because when I ordered it, now it's not like I didn't know, I guess I just didn't pay attention to, if that makes sense, in all of my excitement, the sheer magnitude of this canvas. So while I'm excited, I'm a little nervous, and you can tell from the color right here that it is a round, so that makes it a little better. So let me cut open the plastic. I also want to tell you guys, when I'm finished with the unboxing here, about a new project that I'm going to be doing in the near future on my channel, and we're going to see how that goes. What did I get? What did I get myself into is more like it. I'm actually going to pull this out, and then I'm going to show you what I got, because I don't know, every once in a while suspense is fun. So it is wrapped backwards, and you can see from here it is, she's kind of big. I actually have my sheet here, so it's about 2 feet wide, and this is what I got. I'm so excited. Let me get this in frame. I'm so excited. 29 colors. It is a 51 by 97 centimeter, and like I said, it is a round, so that makes it a little more, I don't know, doable, I guess. It has 2 ABs, and I am definitely going to add some sparklers to her because duh, she's gorgeous and she needs some sparkle. Toolkit is your standard toolkit. I have 2 plates of wax, a boat, the pin, a squishy, and some baggies. We don't want to look at that. We want to look at this canvas. We want to see her in all her glory. And like I said, I've seen this unboxed. I've actually even seen it worked on, and I've seen pictures of it done. And I still, in my head, as soon as it came for pre-order, I was like, yes please. And then like I said, this was month ago or so, and I don't know what happened. I was just like, yes, and then all of a sudden yesterday or the day before yesterday, I was like, I think I made a huge error in judgment here. I make poor life decisions. You can't even see her in my camera frame because she is so massive. I'm going to try and pull it up just a tiny bit, but still. Isn't she beautiful, guys? Oh my goodness, she is gorgeous. Now, I am a huge Halloween fan. Nightmare Before Christmas is one of my favorite movies ever. I do have the Love at its Darkest from Manzano that I haven't started yet. But this was just, I don't know why this spoke to me. I think the colors and just everything about it was so pretty. I just needed it. So, we're going to take a look at the drill field. And everything is really clear, as always with Diamond Art Club. It is very sticky, and I will be removing all of the plastic and putting on release paper squares, because I just don't like the plastic. I've come to the conclusion I can't do it. I'm not a fan. I just, it gets in my way, it crinkles, it sticks to me. I don't like it. So, and I do have this that I bought when I first started diamond painting. It's got little bats in it, so you know, for the spirit of everything, I'm going to be using my bat pen because, you know, keeping it all real. Here are some number 2s, which are one of the ABs. They're in her dress, like the outline all through there. We will see what number 2 is when we get into the package of drills, and we'll check that out. And there's some number 1s over here. So I'm guessing those look almost like a really light lavender. So I'm guessing they're going to be lavender. She's got a lot of number 1s and 2s all through the back of her, like shadowy glow area. So this is going to be absolutely gorgeous when it's done, I think. Personally, I'm super excited, except for the size. The size, guys. Hold on one second. I'm going to pause you while I open the drills. I did get both stickers in this one too, so I got the tiny sticker and the large sticker. So, and then of course the paper that has the instructions, and then inside they have a coupon code for 10% off in there. And this is, yeah, this is going to be, so these are the new packages again. I know my lighting is so weird. It's actually light outside right now, and I have my window open, so I'm not quite sure why. But so we are definitely going to be living the 310 life for a while on this one. So 6 bags, big bags, large bags of 310, and then we have 803, 803, 939, 939, 939, 939. So not only are we living the 310 life, but we are living the 939 life for a long, long time. And then we have 823 and 823, 823, 312, got more, some more 312, 3760, 3760, 597, 334, 598. I just love all the blues and teals and even some purples in here. 333, it's a really pretty purple. 775, that's really pretty. It's a very, very, very light aqua. 797, 3746, 141, there's one of our ABs, that beautiful, beautiful white AB. And then 3841, 155, 340, 3811, again another tealy aqua color, 210, 126. There's that almost lavender, light lavender AB. That's really pretty. 3755, 796, 519, 3865. Very few of the little white, off-whitish color. 799, 820, 995. 996 and 605. Couple pink, just a small handful of pink. So I'm definitely going to get this kitted up. Today is the 28th of August, and Drills and Chills start September 1st. I have 2 kits, a smaller one, but it's a square, and then I have this big old Mama Jamma right here. So I'm going to want to get this kitted up so I can get it started on the 1st, so I can try and complete both of them. I'm absolutely ecstatic about this canvas. It's gorgeous. I am a little intimidated because it is so big, but I just totally, there we go, got my blade, that's my X-Acto knife stuck, sorry. So I want to get this started as soon as possible so I can get this done. It does have only 29 colors, which isn't a lot, but it has a lot of some of the colors. So about the new project that I'm starting, so my sister-in-law came down from Texas, or up from Texas, because my in-laws are moved, and she came to help with the move and help them get settled into their new place. And anyhow, she had mentioned to me that because she's a crafty girl too, and she had mentioned to me that there was this paint. Well, she didn't mention to me about the paint, actually. She told me that there was this group on Facebook called Heirloom Traditions Paint Official Group. and she said, oh, I should invite you to the group because they have a lot of crafting projects, and you know, they're sponsored, or they're affiliated with a paint brand, but you don't have to, you know, buy the paint. It's just they show you all these befores and afters and blah blah blah. And I was like, oh my god, yes, invite me. I like crafty things. So anyhow, coming up here shortly, I'm going to be painting all my bedroom furniture, and I'm going to take you guys along for that ride, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and I'll probably go crazy. And yeah, so my husband wasn't entirely impressed with the project. He was like, oh good god. So this is the Facebook group I'm going to show you on my phone, and I will link the Facebook group, and I will link the website. And they do offer, if you're in with the, like if you're in the Facebook group, it gives you a code or whatever, and you can get a little small trial thing of paint for only shipping, which is $6.99. But this paint is supposed to cover everything. You can use it on anything, and it's supposed to be really durable. We shall see how that goes. But anyhow, yeah, so I'm going to be doing my bedroom furniture. So I'm taking you guys along for that, and that will be coming up in the next, I don't know, several weeks, I guess. It just depends on when the paint comes and when all that happens, and you know, we'll see what we can do with that. And I hope you guys will enjoy that. I hope you guys will enjoy being along for that and seeing what I do, and we'll see how it comes out. And I appreciate you guys all. I appreciate you so much for being a part of my channel. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified anytime I post a new video, so you can see what kind of trouble I get myself into next. Alright guys, I hope you have a great day, and wish me luck on this. It's probably going to take me hours to get this thing up. So, bye guys.